Hey, my dear Capricorns. So, welcome to my channel, Dear Universe Tarot. I hope you're all doing well. So, this video is about how was May for you. And I've already pre shuffled the cards and picked out the cards for you. So, the first three cards that you see here is on your career. The second three cards that you see here is on your love. And I will pick up a card in the end as an overall guidance for you. So, first, let's begin with the career. So, the cards that I've got for your career is the Tower. I've got the Three of Pentacles, and I've got the Queen of Pentacles. So, this month for you, in terms of career, I feel there's gonna be a major change or a major breakdown. There could be something that would happen which would kind of break things apart. But all that's being said to you is to stay positive, because for you, this situation that happens, this breakdown that happens, will be for your own good, for your higher good, higher self good. Because the Tower is all about clearing up all the old things and making room for something new. So I think somewhere that this situation or this Tower situation will make you learn more, will make you learn through your skills, or through make you practice your skills in whatever field that you're working on in terms of your career. It will make you work more and probably gain experience through your field. And I think this is why you had to learn a few skills in order to succeed in your field. I think that was the reason. The main reason was for you to have a learning process, that this Tower moment happen in your life, is what I'm seeing for you in terms of me. And this growth or this learning experience that you will go through will lead to you becoming into a Queen of Pentacles energy. So, Queen of Pentacles is someone who's very stable, someone who's very grounded, financially very sound. So, I think that somewhere this Three of Pentacles energy where you're learning, that would lead to becoming into a more stable and a grounded person, and also a successful person in terms of your career, which is amazing. That is what I'm seeing for you in terms of your career. So now let's move in regards to love. So the cards that I've got for you is you deserve love. The second card is I've got the card make the effort, and the third card is worth waiting for. So, whatever I feel is that you Capricorns, you guys deserve love. It says you are lovable. So, whatever, no matter what, everybody deserves love. And for you, this month of May is all about, you know, getting to know a fact that you guys deserve love and you guys are lovable. And also, probably, if you have been waiting for someone whom you felt it's worth waiting for because you didn't want to make a move, it says divine timing is at work in your love life. So, possibly that. You guys have been waiting for the right time for this person to express your love. So I think that this is the time that you start making an effort. It says great love is worth taking the steps you're guided to take. So as much as you thought that this person that you've been waiting for, this person whom you feel that is worth the wait, so for them I think May is all about you making the effort in expressing your love. I'm sorry about my voice, but it keeps cracking. So yeah, that is what I feel for your love life. As I can see that you deserve love, so just go ahead, make the effort, and just, make it as it was worth the wait. So the next card that I'm gonna pick for you is based on the daily, the overall guidance for you this month. So let's check that. What is the guidance or overall message for the month of May for my Capricorns? So you've got the card Deep Knowing. So I think that for this, what this card means is that somewhere everybody is blessed with that intuition. you know, all of us have this deep knowing within us. So it's all about, this month is all about going ahead or going with your gut feeling, whatever you feel intuitive too, whatever things that you want to do based on your intuition. It's all about going through that deep knowing or intuition that you have, and that will how it will be, the month of May will be for you, as in the overall energy of for the month of May. So yeah, trust in your instincts, trust in your intuition, as things is gonna be all fine. So stay positive and just go ahead with your intuition is what I would say. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I do offer private sessions, so the details are in the description box below. You can reach out to me through your Instagram or through my email or through my WhatsApp. So all the details are in the description box below, so you can check them out and reach out to me for private sessions. And I'd love to do it. I hope you are all doing well, and stay safe. And until I meet you in the next video, bye.